Hi, I'm Laura Handke, Lake Oswego's transformational voice teacher, and due to popular request, I'm here on LinkedIn giving short vocal tips every week. And this is number 2 of 3 parts about the breath. Now, in the first video, we talked about how important posture is and also expanding the rib cage. Well, part 2 is about relaxing the core, because you can't really breathe properly with a tight abdomen, and you have to think of the breath as the river that's carrying the sound of your voice. So make sure your belly is nice and relaxed, and one way to know that that's happening is you can put your index fingers together, or your third fingers together like this. Place them over your navel, and when you inhale, those fingers should come apart ever so slightly. And now if you're laying down on the floor on a yoga mat, the way you'll know is your belly will go up to the ceiling when you inhale, and then as you're vocalizing, it will come down like this. So that's tip number 2, breathe with a relaxed core. Laura Handke, Lake Oswego's transformational voice teacher.